Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Now we'll talk about problem 76 from chapter 21. Here we're given 4 names of compounds, and we're asked to draw their structure. So these are aldehydes and ketones. So the first name that we're given is hexanal. We know from the hex prefix that we're going to have 6 carbons. And we know from the al suffix that it's going to be an aldehyde. So we can go ahead and draw our aldehyde on the right side. So we'll draw our carbon chain. And we know that an aldehyde is a carbon with a double bond O and also a hydrogen. So it has to be on the terminal the terminal carbon in the carbon chain to accommodate this hydrogen here. So let's go ahead and move to part B, excuse me. In this part, we're given 2-pentanone. So we know that this molecule has to be 5 carbons long because of the PENT prefix. And then because of the ONE at the end, it should be a ketone. And for ketones, because they're on the inside of the carbon chain, we need to be given the position, and here we're given the position as 2. So we can go ahead and put it on the second carbon, and that's just a double bond O, and then we write the rest of the carbon chain. 5 carbons long. So that's the structure of 2-pentanone. Now for part C, we're given 2-methyl-butanal. We know that the carbon chain should be 4 carbons long. We have an aldehyde and we have a methyl group at position 2, which should be the carbon right next to the aldehyde. So we can go ahead and draw that on the left side now. We draw in our aldehyde, we draw in our carbon, which should have the methyl group, and then we continue on with the rest of our carbon chain. And that's the structure for part C. And then lastly, they give us 4-heptanone. The hept part of this name tells us that it has 7 carbons. And then the ONE suffix tells us that it is a ketone, and that's the only functionality. So we draw in our hydrocarbon chain. At position 4, we put our ketone, and then we finish up the hydrocarbon chain with 7 carbons, and that's a structure for 4